let's talk a little bit about laser vaginal rejuvenation. More about boom in the bedroom. Take a shot. If you see something here, it's from Sean. So the vaginal vault can be improved. So obviously with childbirth and whatnot, there's changes that can occur. So lasers, we have been using lasers for skin rejuvenation for decades. And we know how well they do with skin rejuvenation. And as we were doing these treatments back even in the 90s, we were doing some CO2 laser treatments right around the lip lines. Okay, so the smokers' lines would go away when we treated them. So it is not a far stretch to start thinking that the mucosa of the lips could, if that's responding well to the CO2, why not other mucosa? And it turns out to be true. Anytime you treat the mucosa, it shrinks and it helps stimulate new tissue. And so we get better lubrication, restored sensitivity, and ultimately increased pleasure. Next. And let's talk about the treatments. Unlike the typical laser treatments that you might think about being uncomfortable, the mucosa in the vaginal vault, when it's treated, isn't sensate to the point that there's a lot of pain associated with the procedure. As a matter of fact, most of the patients will tell you that are having these treatments that the inner lining of the vaginal vault is completely insensate to the treatment itself. And unlike skin resurfacing treatments where you're red and peeling after the treatment, the mucosa of the vaginal vault has maybe a little bit of sloughing, but essentially zero downtime. And there's essentially no side effects from that. The results begin to show up right away.